What is up, guys? It's your boy Vartan Fresh. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. And today in this video, I can't believe this. Like, look at this. It's insane. Like, I'm going nuts. Look at all this Krispy Kreme. This is what we're gonna have today. We're gonna eat Krispy Kreme. I got assortment of Krispy Kreme donuts. I obviously got your regular one, which is like the famous original glaze, and I got a couple other ones I've never seen before, like this pink one here. This is cake batter apparently. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh my god, look at that. Ooh. And this is cheese. Dude, guys, hold on. This is cheesecake. Cheesecake, bro. Like, what the hell? There's cheesecake, Krispy Kreme donut. This is insane. So yeah, we're gonna have this right now. I gotta stop talking. I gotta start eating. so that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me eating the Krispy Kreme donuts. I'll give you a little bit of a review of which ones I liked. I didn't like this one too much. It had like a very strong like lemony citrusy taste. It's supposed to be cheesecake. This is supposed to be the cheesecake one, but it didn't really taste like cheesecake. This was very good. This sprinkle. This reminds me of Simpsons. If you guys watch The Simpsons, you guys would know like the pink donut. This reminds me of that. And this was good. This one was good. And the original glaze was very good. Obviously, I felt like I should have just bought original glaze because that was the best one. That's what they're popular for, right? So that's a little bit of a review. This one was good too. I don't know if I mentioned this one. This one was really good too. This one was had a nice flavor to it. These are all like the same as these are all like similar to the original glaze, but they have like toppings on them, right? So like this one, they all have like that same, except these ones. These ones, they don't have the original glaze sides. You see how there's no sugar on that, and there's sugar on this. So yeah, these ones, none of these ones have them. Only I think the circle ones, the original donut looking ones. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. We'll catch you guys on Friday. So make sure to check my Instagram on Thursday to see what I'm going to be eating on Friday. And we'll see you guys in a bit. Peace.